crooked. A little crooked. You gotta relax your head all the way. There it goes. That went. Now we gotta get that low.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Now we're talking.
Wow.
Oh my god.
You're restricted right there. To push through that. There.
Oh.
Yeah. Now we're talking. Hello.
Oh my god.
That was good.
Wow.
Yeah. Good. That's the one. Scared me. That was good though, right?
Yeah.
It's like your L5 right there. L5 and sacrum. Yeah. Holy cow.
Ooh.
I'm gonna go lighter. Holy. Oh, I got it.
That was intense.
This one helps get all the way down to your low back. Stretch the neck just a little bit. There it goes. That was it. I actually popped real.
Oh my god. Oh.
You did good.
I might pass out.
You might pass out. That's okay.